here tonight to demo the EnviroCloth. The EnviroCloth is your everything cloth. This is your #1 must product from Norwex. The EnviroCloth does everything like I said, so you can use it on wood, glass, tile, granite and marble, ceramics, stainless steel and smooth metals, and it also has backlock on it. Backlock, of course, is your microsilver embedded within the cloth in a liquid state with the fibers, so that the cloth, when properly used, when we finish, which we'll go over, will self-purify itself within 24 hours, which is what makes you not have to launder it every single time you use it. You can launder it once a week. So this, voila, is my 2.5-day-old dirty, grimy countertop, which I purposely left this way for the sake of experimentation, or maybe just because you can't ever really keep up with everything. If I need a little bit of extra elbow grease for this job, I will use the cleaning paste. But we'll see what happens. This Enviro, it picks up a lot. And not only that, and no more wiping around and having crumbs all fall to the floor because it all gets trapped in the fibers. So, here we go. Oh, one last thing. I wet this cloth in warm water before I started. What you're gonna do is fold it in 4s, and when you're working, even if it's not in 4s, you want to make sure that you are wiping with a flat surface and not scrunching, because you are wiping away, wicking up, removing up to 99% of bacteria from the surface, as opposed to laying down a chemical and having that kill it and then leaving the chemical behind, or using a steam clean. Okay, so here we go. All done. Easy peasy. 2 products, your EnviroCloth, cleaning paste, your cooktop, your countertop are all clean. When you're finished, take your cloth, run it under warm water, then you're going to agitate and rub it against itself with the warm water underneath the running faucet to make sure that you're loosening up those fibers and releasing some of that dirt and grime. You're gonna wring it out really, really well. You're gonna take the awesome handy dandy little tag, hang it wherever you so choose, and within 24 hours you will have a clean cloth that is self-purified because of the backlock technology inside the cloth. And then you can go back and do another job without even having to launder it. So it's nice and easy, and my kitchen does not smell of chemicals. So thanks for watching. I'm Carrie, your independent Norwex sales consultant. That's a mouthful when it's getting late at night or at the end of the day. And I hope you have a good night. Bye-bye.